In this tutorial, we're going to go over 3 different methods to reverse a string in under 70 seconds. We're going to start off here by defining a variable a as the string abc123. We're going to run that, and we're going to do our first method, which is going to be a. We're going to use the indexer, 2 colons and a -1, run it, and that'll completely inverse our string. The next method we'll go over is using the join. So we're going to default with a empty string, do .join, pass through the reversed function, and pass through our variable a. This will do the exact same thing and just join it and reverse it essentially. Now in our last method, we're going to run a one-line for loop. So we're going to define the empty variable again, .join, and now we're going to do a for loop. So we're going to define char for char in, and in this case, we're going to define our string, and we're going to use that same reverse function we did for the first line. Now, what this allows us to do is instead of having to define a variable as say a, we can just pass through the string we want to reverse right there, and it's just a one-line function.